Why do 70% of tarot readers find the moon card so intriguing? Let's dive into its hidden depths. The moon tarot card, symbol of intuition, dreams, and the subconscious. But what does it really mean when it appears in your reading? When the moon shows up, it often signals a time of uncertainty. Imagine walking through a dense fog where things are not quite as they seem. This card encourages you to trust your intuition and pay attention to your dreams. They might be revealing hidden truths. See the moonlight illuminating a path? It's guiding you through the darkness, but beware. The light can also cast deceptive shadows. The moon also represents our deepest fears and anxieties. Facing this card can feel like confronting your inner demons. But remember, it's also about embracing the unknown and growing stronger from it. Notice the two towers in the background? They symbolize the gateway to the unconscious mind. Between them, a dog and a wolf howl at the moon, representing our tame and wild sides. The moon card asks us to balance these dualities within ourselves. Whether you're in a period of confusion or on the brink of a new discovery, the moon card is here to remind you, trust the journey. The answers you seek are within. So next time you see the moon in your spread, remember, it's not just about mystery and illusion. It's an invitation to explore your inner world and trust your inner voice. Curious for more tarot insights? Follow for more deep dives and mystical wisdom.